Friends of Labocosmetica, our Fiat 124 Sportabat is about to take place in the first competition of the 2019 season. And what a competition! We are in fact referring to the Monte Carlo Historic Rally, over 3,500 kilometres on snow-covered roads with ice, salt and for sure very cold temperatures. We're taking advantage of it to test the performance of HPC, the new coating of the Labocosmetica line. More specifically, we want to test the anti-static and the dirt resistance capacity, as well as its resistance to bad weather conditions and UV rays. After carefully washing our Abarth and polishing it up, we apply HPC to just half the vehicle. This will enable us to check the difference at the end of the season. Yes, because our test will extend until the end of the 2019 competition season. This means over 6,000 kilometers in a range of different road and weather conditions.
Molto diverse tra loro.
Hello to all you guys, I am Fabio D'Avenia, Master Detailer of Labocosmetica. By my side is the Abarth 124, which has been driven about 4,500 kilometers over mud, salt, snow, and which unfortunately also incurred an accident. After the third competition, the car underwent a maintenance wash, also called a 3 pH wash, alkaline, neutral and acid. This was done to fully restore and reset the surface to be able to see the real conditions of our protective product. Now, let's take a look at the wash in more detail. We began by cleaning and decontaminating the wheel rims. Next, we carried out the 3 pH wash. We started with Primus with a 1 to 60 solution in our nebula foam. After rinsing, we foamed Purifica 1 to 60. But that was not all. In the bucket, we used Semper 1 to 800 to mechanically wash the surface. A few months ago, the car was completely decontaminated and polished, but only half of it was treated. The idea was to determine the beneficial effects of the HPC coating. So far, we have only seen HPC coupled with Blindo, with STC or with SAM. In the case of this car though, we also wanted to demonstrate how it performed by itself. In the rear part, we can see the difference between the treated part and the untreated part. More specifically, we see the self-cleaning capacities of HPC. In this case, after 4,500 kilometers of competition, we are able to see how HPC has remained cleaner from contaminants, such as smog, atmospheric agents, and external contamination. When the car came back from the third competition, the accident put a stop to our test. It is best to warn the body shop that the surface has been treated. For the time being, but only for the time being, we'll put this Abarth 124 in the hands of the body shop. When it comes back, we'll treat it for the next tests and next competitions.
Labocosmetica.